Hi, I bought a new Aorus and it makes this sound. This is not a fan sound. Most likely it is the sound of video card chokes. It appears while the video card RTX 4070 is running on battery power, while playing on battery. Yes, the sound of chokes is not a marriage. Here is the manufacturer's answer. I bought this laptop for $1,700 plus $3,000 tax since I live in Georgia now. I also installed a second SSD. The manufacturer says that this may be the reason for the sound, but I need a second SSD. I cannot remove it. The laptop has other problem as well. The processor and video memory get very hot, 90 degrees Celsius. I am disappointed. It's a good laptop, but it's been rained. More details in the video description. Thank you for watching. I did my best.